I'm not going anywhere. I was elected to do a job, and until a judge tells me I can't do it, I'm going to do it.
Suspended, then reinstated, all within just a matter of hours. Tonight, St. Louis County Councilman Dennis Hancock is sounding off over actions he says are politically motivated. Hancock saying he plans to fight a push to kick him out of office after hiring a family member. It's a move the county prosecutor says violates Missouri's Constitution.
Shoshana Stahl is live tonight in Clayton, where Hancock just made his appeal to the people. Shoshana?
Corey, Sam, we heard from Councilman Dennis Hancock less than 30 minutes ago saying he will fight this when he has his day in court. We asked him, why did you hire your stepdaughter? He says not only could he trust her, but he did feel like she had the qualifications for that position. He says he didn't know it was prohibited, admits he did make a mistake. On Tuesday, St. Louis County Prosecuting Attorney Wesley Bell filing a petition in court to immediately suspend St. Louis County Councilman Dennis Hancock. The petition claims Hancock violated the law by hiring his stepdaughter. Hours later, Hancock responded asking to still be allowed to serve as a councilman during this time. A St. Louis County judge ordered his full authority to be restored.
Have you been served with any court order as it pertains to that item? Because I don't know all the details. Say it again, sir.
No, ma'am.
According to court documents, Hancock hired his stepdaughter, Holly Galati, as an administrative assistant on August 19th. The position would pay $24.88 an hour, plus a vehicle allowance of $300 a month and standard county benefits. Hancock told First Alert 4 on the phone he didn't know this was prohibited.
Ignorance of the law is no excuse. Everyone needs an attorney to advise them on matters like employing relatives.
SLU law professor Anders Walker says, according to the Missouri State Constitution, this is a violation due to nepotism. Hancock said he did attempt to hire Galati, but her paperwork was never finished, so she was technically never employed by the county.
Well, if someone has not been paid and there's no employment contract, they might not be an employee. They could just be someone who's learning, doing a project, student doing research, not an employee. That might convince a judge.
According to court documents, Galati was performing the duties of administrative assistant as of August 19th. Bell's office says because Hancock violated the Constitution, he forfeits his elected position. The quo warranto is then used to enforce that penalty.
Writs of quo warranto are very rare. For the most part, we let the voters decide. You don't like the councilperson, just vote them out.
County council members addressing this firsthand today.
That is the problem in the county. Priorities and making sure we're doing the business of the county to take care of the residents of the county and the employees that this council is committed to doing. So again, tons of fun, whiplash, motion sickness, all of the above, but none of it helps get the work done for the people of this county.
Mr. Hancock was not served, which is part of due process in this whole thing, so they tried to keep him from voting, disconnected his email, disconnected his badge service to the building. They did all this without due process, in my opinion.
The Missouri Constitution says you can't hire relatives by blood or marriage, which is why Bell's office says Hancock violated the Missouri Constitution. Again, Hancock says he will fight this when he has his day in court. And this is something First Alert 4 is going to continue to follow up, not only tonight, but as this continues to go through the legal processes in St. Louis County. Live in Clayton, Shoshana Stahl, First Alert 4.
Steps to still follow there, Shoshana. Thank you. Councilman Hancock says he believes he was targeted today to stop him from voting on a specific piece of legislation. It would allow the county council to hire outside legal counsel to represent their interests instead of the county executives. Today, the vote passed 4-3 with Hancock being the deciding vote there. It now heads to the November ballot. Tonight at 10, we'll hear from council members on both sides of the aisle who were upset over the timing of today's events.